Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about padding in Bootstrap. Padding means inside margin. When you provide call class inside a row class, by default it has left and right margin of 15 pixel. Okay, and when you provide left, right, top and bottom margin, you can use Bootstrap classes of P, PE, PS, PT and PB. P for all the side. If you want to have equal margin from all the side, then you use P class and provide hyphen from 0 to 5. When you provide hyphen 0, it having no padding. When you provide 1, it is having 0.5 RAM padding. When you provide 2, it is having 0.5 RAM padding. When you provide 3, it is having 1 RAM padding. When you provide 4, it is having 1.5 RAM padding. When you provide 5, it is having 3 RAM padding. Okay, and you can provide left, right, top, bottom, and if you want equal, then you provide P. Okay, now let's discuss about the breakpoint. You can provide the breakpoint. If you want the padding for extra large screen, then you can provide P hyphen XL and hyphen provide a number, and it work for the padding is work for only extra large screen. And for left padding, you can provide P and XL and then provide the number. And similarly for left, PS and PT for top, PB for bottom. And if you want to work for extra large and large screen, then you provide LG. And if you want to provide for 3 screen, extra large, large and medium, then you provide MD. And when you want to provide from here to here, from extra large to small screen, then you provide SN. We don't have any breakpoint for extra small screen. Okay, now we'll see how we can practically implement this. Okay, now let's see how we can practically implement padding in Bootstrap. And this is the document I'm using from the starting of my Bootstrap tutorial. Now here you can see, first I include the CSS link of Bootstrap, and inside here you can see we have custom CSS also, which here I provide the container border color, row border color and some background color. And after this you can see we have script link of Bootstrap. Okay, now here I provide a container. Inside this container I provide a row class. Inside this row we have 4 grid column which is having breakpoint small screen, and this having blue background. And similarly you can see we have 3 grid with breakpoint SM means small screen, and we have background color orange. Okay, now let's see how it look like. You can clearly see it is perfectly fine. Okay, now here I provide padding P hyphen and here I provide 5. Now let's see how it look like. You can see the width of the container is increasing. You can clearly see now we have 3 RAM padding from each side, from left, top, bottom and right. Okay, now if I want to provide row to be having padding, I just provide P hyphen and here also I provide 5. Now let's save. You can see the container size is increasing. Now you can see we have padding of 3 RAM from each side. Okay, now here you can also provide container to be having padding. I just provide P hyphen 5. Now let's save. Now you can see we have and 3 RAM padding from each side in row class, and inside this column we have 3 RAM padding from each side. And now let's provide the breakpoint. First let's see how it look like in all the device. Just press F12. Now increase the device width. Okay, now this is the extra large screen. When we decrease to large, you can see it is having 3 RAM padding from each side. Okay, now let's come to the medium screen. You can see we have padding. Okay, now when we decrease to medium, you can see when we decrease to extra small, you can see we have padding. Or now our div now our column come to the row wise because we having breakpoint here sm. Now here I also provide hyphen md hyphen md md. Okay, now here I also provide pe hyphen 5. Now let's save. Okay, when I increase and I just remove the container padding, I just remove this. Okay, and I just remove this also. Now let's save. Now you can see we have margin from the end. You can clearly see I provide pe 5. You can clearly see we have padding from right. Okay, when I provide here ps, we having padding from left. Okay, now check to the breakpoint. I provide here hyphen md. Now let's save. You can see in extra large screen it is working, in large screen it is also working, in medium screen it is working. When we are at small screen, you can see it is stop working now, and when we are extra small, you can see we don't have any margin padding from anywhere. Okay, now if you want to check for other pe ps pt, you can provide pt here also, pt. Now let's see how it look like. I just increase the device width. You can see we have top margin, but you cannot distinguish. I just removed this. Now let's see, we have top padding from orange, in orange column. I just here provide pb. Now let's save. You can see we have bottom padding. Okay, so this is how you can provide padding in Bootstrap. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.